So I just wanted to do, a video about how to cut your beard and everything. I already did a video before about how to cut your beard, but I kind of like showed it. I show how to cut your beard, but I never actually explain it. So yeah. Okay, the first thing that you have to do is to cut around this area. So this is the first thing you do when you cut your beard. You just cut it in just this area. In this case, I'm using the level 1 guard, just a smaller one. And I do the same thing in the other side. After that, you can notice that I just change guard now. So I'm using the number 2 to cut it, but you can use number 2.5 as well. And I'm cutting another area. But yeah, there's no, I don't show it which limit it is. You can just go ahead, because then you have to cut everywhere more or less like this. And just go in one side, don't go up and down, just go down like that, as if you are combing it. And you see, I can go ahead, go even, in front of my face. You can see close to my mouth as well. I can go ahead using number 2. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is just to trim a little bit. It didn't grow too much, the beard on my neck there, but I'm just going to trim it anyway. So what you have to do, if you see the way I cut it, kind of like cut it before anyway, but it's just like you don't have to go all the way to the top, because then it just doesn't give that form, the look and everything like that. So okay, I'm just going to show you another part. So what I'm going to do is just to cut this part just in this way. And if you notice, I'm not going too much down. I'm just going slightly down. And that's it. And if you notice, you just come in like already like that, just slightly down, just that's it. Don't go too much down when you're cutting. You're doing details and everything like that. Then it's depend, it just depends of how you wanna cut your beard. If you wanna go down, you can do it, but it's just depend of how you want to do it. Then I'm going to do the next thing. The same thing to the next side. So just like the way you did it there. So if you notice, like, that's basically the reason why you don't want to do details before. You don't want to do details before. You just want to trim it first. You trim it first, then you just start to do yeah, everything is a trim actually, but you just have to do number 1, number 2, the way I showed you before, and then you do details, because unless there's gonna be too much hair there, and you're not able to do properly the details that you should do. And it's basically just like that. All of it is basically like that. So if you notice, I'm not going too deep inside with this side as well. And I'm doing the same thing here as well. And that's basically it. So yeah, it's just very important. You just do number 1. Like, it just depends. Like, if you want to do a longer beard, then the rule is similar, but it's different. This means like for me, because I have a shorter beard, so I'm doing it like that, like number 1, then I go with number 2 just to do it in this side and everything like that. Then if you have you want to have a longer beard, then the rule might be different. It might be probably, instead of doing number 1 here, it can be maybe like number 1.5 or number 2, and then maybe you go with number 3 here. You go with number 3 here, and the beard is gonna be maybe longer here, and then you're just gonna trim it around very well like that. So yeah, thank you for watching, and hope to see you the next time.